severe thunderstorm warning for west central Washington County and central Vermont, northeastern Essex County and northern New York, southern Chittenden County and northwest Vermont, northern Addison County and central Vermont until 6 p.m. At 4:57 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Gardiner Island, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Mount Philo State Park, Ferrisburg, Moncton, Harnsburg, Hanksville, Fayston. This severe thunderstorm is also capable of producing deadly lightning and torrential rain. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling 802-863-4279 or submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property.